I was looking for a tool set that was easily portable that I can take out to my car, but also use around the house. So I decided to get this DEWALT 108 piece tool set. In your tool set here, you've got your two different ratchets. You've got your 1/4 inch and your 3/8 inch. On this side, you have all of your imperial sockets and then all of your metric sockets. You also have some extensions down here and then a reducer from 3/8 to 1/4 inch. And then up here you've got your screwdriver handle, which has an adapter for different things that are in here. On this side you've got your Allen wrenches, which are imperial, and then on this side you've got your metric Allen wrenches, and then I'll show you what's inside this box. So in this little box here you've got your screwdriver tip heads, you've got your flat heads, your Phillips, you've got your hex over here. They all work with this handle and just go in the end here. You also have an extended one, and then you have these for a cordless drill, and then these will be for your impact sockets. So there's your 108 piece DeWalt tool set. Has just about everything you need to do some basic jobs and little more intense jobs, but this is a really nice set, and I love that it's portable and also has this carry handle, so it's easy to take around wherever you need it.